Hello guys, in this video I want to show you how you can fix this Cricut power cable. So basically this Cricut wasn't turning on, so what I decided to do was to check if the connectivity is just cool. So I found out that this cable has a problem somewhere, like there is no continuity, so I decided to cut it off and then connect it very tightly and then insulate it. So this is how I did it, and then yeah, maybe you might encounter the same problem next time. So that's that about that. So let me just try. I'm done connecting, and then that's that. It's now turning on. This is Cricut, as you can see there. So let me just turn it off, and then I should assemble it. So that's the process. I'm assembling, and then yeah, all I did was to check if I can fix this, because the problem looked very obvious that it was a power cable. So yeah, as you already know, maybe you don't know, I'm a troubleshooter. I'm a good troubleshooter, mostly in computers. So yeah, that's that about that. So that's how I started assembling, putting each and every component in place so that we can still use it as normally we used to do. So that's that, connecting things, and then yeah, that's all. I'm done connecting, and then let's just try after assembling if it's working. So yeah, that's that. It's probably working very perfectly, and let's see how maybe we should increase, decrease the temperature. So that's that. Minus button is used for minimizing the temperature. So yeah, actually that's that about Cricut. So probably what was happening was the cables was just loose because of the cutoff. So that's how we fixed it, and then boom, we are done. So let's just turn it off, and then we could go.